Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to work with HUANUO heavy duty monitor arm for 49 inches screen and up to 35 lbs. Let's start from the assembly. It's very easy. I've done it by myself. It took me maybe 10 minutes, maybe a little bit more. You need to start with a base version and depends on the thickness of your table. Is it big, is it small? You can and you need to adjust a base clamp, right? You can see that my table is pretty standard with a standard sizes, so I'm using what it's coming by default. Only you need to add this top panel or base panel, right? And then attach it to your desk. And basically this is the main part because it should carry your heavy monitor, your most probably ultra wide monitor pretty stable, right? And you're gonna to move it from the left to the right on yourself, pull it or maybe push it to the back side. So this is kind of important. Then you need to attach a small plastic part, and this is just a cable management stuff. So we will need this to, put some cables into it from the monitor to power supply. As a next big stage is to assemble upper and lower arms of this monitor arm, right? So this one you need to just insert into the base station like this. Make sure it will come until very end, right? And then you need to add a second part of the arm, like a top part. And the idea is absolutely the same. You need just to insert it into the bottom part. Do not forget to tight screws what is already inserted into the bottom part and upper part. This is important for the safety, and in general this is how it should be assembled. So bottom part and upper part, do not forget. And the last step is very easy. You need to use a VESA, what is coming together with this arm. It could be 75 or 100 size, depend on your monitor. So please select appropriate screws and appropriate size, and then just to tighten up, as a simple monitor or TV, or it's pretty standard step for any assembling of any monitors or screens in general. When you finish with this attachment, you need to again insert this part into the upper part of the arm, same as we done with the bottom and upper arms by themselves. Just to insert, do not forget to tighten a screw inside this part. And now you need just to find a proper place on your desk. You can move it to the left, to the right. You can push it, right? So it will be almost parallel with the backside of your table, or you can leave it as as your desk setup is required. It's very flexible. You really can move it a lot. You can actually adjust a height range from 7 to 18 inches, and max extension is 25 inches. It's just amazing, taking into account the weight of such huge ultra-wide monitors. So this is kind of really important. If you wanted to use a big monitors, you need to have a pretty, sturdy, stable arm, and this arm can handle up to 35 lbs. So be careful and check your parameters, your monitor, before ordering, because this is important. You can choose a less heavy monitor, but not like a bigger than this weight. And also, of course, is suitable for the screen types as a flat or curved, or whatever monitor you have. And then when you're done, just you need to choose a place, proper place. Depends on where is your keyboard, mouse, or maybe laptop, or maybe all other devices on your table. And this arm allow you to do a lot. You can also adjust how flexible is it, right? How easy to push it down, up, left, right. So you can change all these parameters. And at the end, you can just enjoy your clean and neat desk setup without any, stands on your desk. So if you're looking for something like this, obviously check this out.